Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, as well as PotomacBeads.eu. This time of the year, we want to wish everybody a happy holidays and want to reflect a little bit about the changes that happened at Potomac Beads here in 2018. We had an awesome year and had some awesome growth. We made a lot of changes. We did some things for the last time. We did some things for the first time. And I wanted to look back at 18 with 18 things. The first and biggest thing we did in 2018 was launch our EU site. With the help of Teresa and her husband Pavel, we built an awesome warehouse in the Czech Republic and added the access for all of our European customers to order online at PotomacBeads.eu. We also got to take a couple trips to the Czech Republic and join them in for the exciting, fun times of building out the warehouse, getting new product in, recording some lives, and having some fun together. We look forward to so much more of that in 2019. In addition to that, my number one thing of 2018, we did 17 other things that I thought were worth mentioning. The number two is the reorganization of our business. So we've spent a lot of hours reorganizing and making us a little bit more of an official business rather than, hey, you do this, I do this, you do that, I do that, and changing the daily day-to-day things. We've added a little bit more organization, which has added a little bit more people, including some of those that came from us from some of our other locations that have actually closed. So we got to have some new friends that were old friends join our staff here, and we're really excited looking forward. This also included some new technology that we're working with, as well as some new procedures and new things to look forward to. In addition to that, we had a really fun run with doing some different trade shows, but that has come to an end. So my number three is that we are actually not going to be doing actual trade shows anymore. For me, my family is really important, and it's really hard times of the year for me to leave 4 children, to come and to travel to the different trade shows for an extended period of time, to pack up the store, and to join you all. I still want to see everybody, meet everybody along the way, and you'll see us at trade shows, but we won't have booths. So remember, you can order from us online at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu, and we're happy to see you there. That allows us for more flexibility in doing some more videos, as well as more shipping out online and focusing on really expanding the beading industry and the beading craft. Number 4 is that we've had a huge change in our warehouse. So we took the time with that new business organization and actually reorganized our entire warehouse. What we did was added a ton of shelving. We made a lot of dirt sweeping up and kind of creating a nice warehouse situation with our existing space, which is a 150-year-old building that we love and that we love to grow with and grow into. So we are actually expanding from our 5,000 square feet to increasing to our 8,000 square feet location here at Potomac Beads. Along with that better organization, we actually survived a building fall down. The building that's connected to us, next to us, you may have seen if you kind of have random connections to Hagerstown, Maryland, actually started collapsing, and it is condemned, yes. But we survived the building fall down. So that's an additional positive to the warehouse, that our warehouse survived despite the building next to us having a little bit of a collapse, which happened while we were in Milwaukee and got to have the fun call from the landlord there. In addition to that, number 5 starts the expansion of our inventory. We worked really hard in 2018 to expand our inventory even more with more great products. Number 5 includes all of the Miyuki 11.0 and 15.0 colors that they currently produce. One of the hard things with this is keeping them all in stock because Miyuki can't actually keep up with their production of their beads. So some of them, when they are out of stock, it's because Miyuki is also out of stock. But we're excited that we got to add that whole product line. And we'll be adding on additional Delica colors and colors in the other sizes and their other shapes as well. Number 6 that I've added is new metals, including a huge supply of wonderful clasp garden clasps, as well as the launch of the Potomax brand. We thought that in addition to some of our other beads, we'd love to have the opportunity to showcase and design new metal beads as well. So we brought to you the spacer bezel, a bunch of different glue-in, Rivoli, and Chaton settings, the snake trio, more earring findings as well, the bow trio, and the latest, the halo bead, which we're very excited to use. In addition to that, number 7, we brought you some new check shapes. The check shapes that came in here Our new shapes are the Storm Duo, the EVA, the RounDuo Mini, and then the latest is the Table Cup button. So we had fun creating our own Potomac check beads as well. And in addition to that, we brought you a ton of check glass beads in different shapes that others produce. I had to write these down in order to make sure that I didn't miss any of them. So number 8 is the new check shapes that are not our exclusive that we brought you, including, and I'm sure I forgot some, the Amos, Clasps, Peros, Bow, Rhombus, Lynx, Lotus, Large Carrier, Drop Duos, Rounded Drop Duos, Tinos, 2-hole bells, kites, paisley duos, leaf duos, 2-hole diamonds, gem duos, pegos, rosettes, baroque cabs, trios, half teal or quarter tealas, half silkies, table cut silkies, more drops, 12mm candy beads, and cabochons. Oh my goodness, have we added cabochons. That's going to be on my looking forward to 2019 as well, because my husband cannot stop buying cabochons. So we're going to have a huge expanse in that as well. We're coming into number 9 then, and number 9 is actually our new crystals as well. This also I had to write down a list from, and we have new chatons in settings, rivolis, navettes, baguettes, navettes in settings, we have baguettes in settings, we have ovals, we have squares, we have spacers and bicones. My personal favorite that we added were some tiny rondelles as well as some tiny rounds in the 2 and 3mm. Also, we increased and added a 6mm disco to that, also more sizes of rivolis, and also more shapes of drops and pendants. We also have more coming in 2019 also, but we're happy to get those and add a little bling for our 2018. So to add to that little bling of 2018, number 10 coming out with kits. So we actually tried out for the first time in 2018 doing some kits. We know that there's some favorites that you may have seen on YouTube, and it's hard to gather the materials, or it would be easy for just placing a kit in the car. We started out with kits, we've added a bunch already, and we'll be adding more. Keep in mind, if you want to add any kits to your shopping carts or want us to add any kits, just send us a little message and we hope to add more in as we go. And we do this basically by popular demand. What's popular on YouTube, what's popular in the group, and we add based on those. So we'll be adding more kits at number 10, which if Diana sees this, she's going to say, no more kits, which is one of our people that we added from our Mechanicsburg location as well. Number 11, in addition to those kits, we also added to the site grab bags. These were kind of part of our warehouse reorganization that we had so many beads that we've had over these 14 years of business that we added the addition of the grab bags. So the grab bags went off without a hitch, that we had fun organizing and adding different beads into these grab bags that were available for you in limited quantities. We actually even added gemstone grab bags, which are available now, and you can pick those up as well. Number 12 of the 2018 is going to be the Facebook Live and YouTube Live. We spent a number of hours behind this camera bringing you more lives and more on-the-spot videos. This has been great for me because it's an addition of using additional people to do these live videos. While doing these live videos too, you get to see new faces, new people, and actually new production of these videos as well. In addition to utilizing the Facebook and the YouTube Live, we've actually started something new in 2018, which is the advertising issue. So we've never actually really advertised before, and we started advertising, which has brought in a lot of new customers and new people that may not have access to Potomac Beads before. They may not have had a shop near them, they may not have had the internet access, and with the addition of this advertising, we hope to engage more people and expand our Potomac Bead customer family. In addition to the actual advertising, which has taken up a lot of time for others, number 14 is the new YouTube video setup. So the new video YouTube setup, I'll actually show a little bit here, is you can see my words below me. My hands are in the screen, you can see me in the top. We've created a whole little studio, I call it my tent here at Potomac Beads, and with that has also actually had a little bit of a change that we've been closing down some of our retail hours. We've limited the retail hours here at the store, which allows us to more efficiently ship products, to make a lot more YouTube videos, as well as come to you live, which we couldn't do before when we had customers roaming in the store. We still have them coming in on Fridays and open our doors to people that are traveling through, but it has been a change which has allowed us to do this new video setup. In addition to that, we have added 225 new YouTube videos this year. So yes, we've been recording a lot. So number 14 is the YouTube videos that we've increased, and we've added so many more video hours for you, our viewers, to enjoy. Number 15 is our Facebook group. So if you are not a member of our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making, you should be. Over the last year, we've grown from 19,000 to 28,000 members in the group. It's an amazing forum. We couldn't have grown it, obviously, without you. That we've added 9,000 people to the group in just under 12 months. This is a 46% increase in the number of people that are enjoying the interaction of our customers one-on-one. It is an awesome group. Love getting on my phone, checking out my Facebook feed, and seeing all the different designs, inspirations, and really the production of everything jewelry and things made with beads. In addition to that, we've done a ton of traveling this year. So we did a lot. Number 16, I'm jumping the gun. 16 is all the traveling that we've done. Not only did we go on a cross-country trip with our kids for 3 weeks, that was long enough. We got to see all kinds of fun things doing that, but we did a lot of business travel as well. It was our last year in Tucson at the trade show there, as well as our last year in Milwaukee. We love those cities. We had fun. And again, you'll see us there. We just won't have a booth available. We did a lot of other traveling too while expanding the business, including to the Czech Republic, to Germany and Clasps Garden. We got to go to Greece and see the production of the metals there. In addition to that, we got to experience China and Hong Kong and the Philippines, and had fun really traveling all over. We love to travel. We love to find new and exciting vendors and go to factory trips, and we'll continue traveling in 2019 as well. In addition to that, wrapping up, number 17 is the launch of the Bead app. So Pavel and Teresa in the EU warehouse have been working really, really hard, and we've gotten the EU store to kind of be the center for the activity with the Bead app. So Bead app is going to be available for you to purchase in the iTunes or the Android store, and it will be an actual virtual kind of design board for you to use all the different beads. We have the product, or we have the app that launched to some beta testers, and we're excited to hopefully get it out right before the end of this year, or we can look forward to that in 2019. So that's a super exciting thing that I wanted to make sure to add into this list. Number 18, you may have noticed right above me here, we have a new logo and a new name. We're going from the Potomac Bead Company to Potomac Beads. This focuses on the fact that we've mainly switched to online. Not only online in sales, but also online in all facets of media. We join you on Facebook, we join you on Instagram, YouTube, and all different media outlets that we can find and that we can get to engage in our customers and to our fellow beaders. In addition to that name change also comes a logo change. So going from Potomac Bead Company to Potomac Beads. We've decided to drop the silver bead that we had for a while as our logo and add the simple design at the bottom with all of the different beads. There has been so many exciting changes in 2018, and we look back at all of the different changes that have happened. We couldn't have done it without you, our amazing customers, and our amazing family, friends, and staff that helped us along the way. As with everything and every video I say, make sure that you enjoy what you're doing, that you have fun beading, and look back on your 2018 and list in your mind the top 18 things that you did that year. It's a fun thing to sit down and do. It was a fun list to make, and I really, really look forward to 2019 and bringing all the great things, even more than I can think about, to you, our beading community. Thanks so much, everybody, for a great year, and I really look forward to joining you in 2019.